So I'm up pretty early this morning. A beautiful morning here at Broken Head, and just there's quite a few people out there surfing already, catching some great waves. Hopefully I'll get the drone up later. I might be able to catch some people out there surfing. The headland is so beautiful. There's even been a guy zipping around on like an e-bike on the sandy beach. You're not sure that he's supposed to be doing that. So Linda and I are going to go and climb up the headland. It's supposed to be a fairly easy walk. I think it's about 700 metres from the caravan park. Let's go and explore a bit, see what's on the other side of here. That looks so Linda's having a bit of a sleep in this morning, and I thought, well, whilst Linda's sleeping, I thought I'd go out and have a wander around and walk along the beach, and you never know what you're going to come across. I was walking to the rocky outcrop here just wearing thongs and probably not the best footwear, and I thought, yeah, I'll just keep going anyway and just check this out. Just, if I had have decided to go and turn back instead of climbing all around the rocks here, I would have missed out on, no, it's such a beautiful scene. As fun as it is going and climbing all around the rocks here, I've still got to try and make my way back. So that'll be a little bit of fun. So we're about to set off on the walking track going up to the Three Sisters Lookout. This is just the start of it. It's such a beautiful morning here. Sun's out, people are out surfing. People are up really early this morning, getting ready to go surfing. So this is a walking track that goes up to the Three Sisters Lookout. And it's such a beautiful morning here this morning. People have been up early, getting their boards, heading out surfing. So looking forward to a great day. Just seeing what we can find here at Broken Head. So we're just walking up now to the Three Sisters Lookout. It's only 1.6 kilometres return, so that shouldn't be too strenuous, should it?
I've got 3 sisters.
You've got 3 sisters?
Yes.
You do too?
I don't think they'll be there.
They won't be there. So this is some of the views that you can get on the Three Sisters walking track.
There's whales out there.
And there's some whales out there. Looks like there might even be some dolphins as well.
There's a couple of dolphins. Half
So how pretty is this, hey?
Yeah, very pretty.
And the beach is so wide and it's so long, you could stay on this beach, you could walk all the way down to Byron Bay, I think, from here, easily. I've seen people coming down on motorised scooters along the beach, it's that hard. So we're able to film some whales from the top of Byron Bay Lighthouse. So we'll see how we go. There's the Three Sisters.
The big sister, the middle sister, and the little baby sister.
Yeah. Looking a bit different now. I flew the drone out early this morning. The tide's come in and so it looks totally different. I'm hoping to put the drone up again this up. So Linda and I are still on the Three Sisters walking track. You can see the beautiful colour of the water. You can see the Three Sisters there in the background. And whilst we're walking up here, like we've been watching the whales offshore, but one breached the water just behind me and it came right out of the water with this huge splash. Unfortunately, we missed it. So you'll just have to take my word for it. But yeah, there's just so many whales because it's whale season here. And we'll head on up to the lookout. So from this lookout you can walk down below to the beach below us. It's a fairly steep staircase, but it's a nice private beach as well. Yeah, it's such a cool hike from the caravan park up to the lookout. We're just heading back now. So the water's been looking absolutely amazing. We've been watching the whales out there. We've even seen some dolphins. So, oh, people fishing off the rocks, yeah. And catching a few nice bream as well as getting drowned with the water. So that's us there in our van. That's just nice and handy, only 2-minute walk to the beach. Great little coffee shop here in the park as well. Beautiful cabins. There's so many birds here. We've got heaps and heaps of scrub turkeys. You can't leave any food out here. If you leave any food out, you'll wind up with scrub turkeys all over the place. Had one on our roof this morning. Beautiful amenities block. Going over towards the camp kitchen. So this is the camp kitchen. The kitchen's got pretty much everything you want here at Broken Head. It's a nice little park. Just, yeah. Just surprising, just all the surfers we've been seeing here, and good to go.
So this brings us to the end of our 5-day breakaway in northern New South Wales as we sit here watching the sun glistening on the water. You can't see it, but we can. It's been a great time at Kingscliff Beach and Broken Head, and if you've enjoyed being with us,
Yeah.
like and subscribe.
Yeah, leave us any questions, any comments, and yeah, like and subscribe. It just helps us promote our channel and helps YouTube promote the algorithm.
Yeah.
See you in our next video.
Happy travels. Bye.